Yeah, I just oh, fuck, that hurts me. And you're like, ah.
I didn't see that.
Oh, you can get your food or whatever you get him.
Or no.
Alright, yeah, we're currently waiting for the person to get back with. It's just being validated again because it's a bit dirty. They come back. I said 10 minutes, about 20 minutes ago. So hopefully they'll hurry up.
Yeah. You've got your spare key, yeah?
Yeah.
On there. But congratulations.
Thank you very much.
On your
Cheers.
purchase. Have a lovely day, alright?
You
And
too.
a safe drive.
Cheers.
Thank you. First start. Ooh, needle.
Ooh, quiet life.
Quiet.
Yeah.
Tractor.
Yeah.
Fresh lever. Only 3 years old. Shit's on the other side as well.
Yeah. Yeah, 80 Purple Rain.